Are you having issues while connecting a device to your Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix this. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check for updates. If you were having trouble connecting to a device to your Amazon Echo Show, ensure your Amazon Echo Show is running the latest software version. To check for updates, say Alexa, check for software updates, or swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Select Devices Options. Select Check for software updates to check for and install software update. Also, make sure the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet is up to date. To do that, open your device's app store like Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS and check for any available updates for the Alexa app. Install any updates to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Method 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Verify that both your Amazon Echo device and the smart device you are trying to connect are on the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures they can communicate with each other without any network issues. Also, ensure that your Wi-Fi network is stable and has a strong signal. If your devices are far from the router or if there are many devices connected to the same network, it can cause connectivity problems. Consider moving the devices closer to the router or reducing the number of connected devices. Method 3. Verify distance. Make sure your paired device is within 30 feet of your Amazon Echo Show device. Being too far apart can weaken the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi signal, leading to connection issues. Keep your devices away from sources of interference such as microwaves, baby monitors, and other electronic devices that may disrupt the signal. Method 4. Reset the device. To clear any previous settings and allow you to set it up as a new device, you can reset both the devices. You can go through the user manual to reset the smart device. To factory reset the device, press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen, go to Settings, then Device Options, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Once done, set up both the device and try to reconnect. Method 5. Consult support. If none of the shown methods could resolve the issue, you can consult the Amazon support page or contact customer service for further assistance. And there you have it, the ways to fix the issue when you are having problem connecting to a device to your Amazon Echo Show. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.